Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So Nifty again created new all-time high 26,250 mark, and not only all-time high, one of the best closings, so above 26,200 mark. Bank Nifty yesterday it was closed above 54,100 above, and it was sustained above that level, and today also it's almost all 54,375 mark. So Bank Nifty created all-time high, and Bank Nifty also one of the best closings. Fin Nifty record high 25,155. So closing. So first time I think it is closing above 25,000 mark. So Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Nifty three were created new all-time high. Major sentiment wise, 60 out of 50 were in negative side, and 44 out of 50 were in positive side. So broad-based rally, Maruti, M&M, Tata Motors. So all three major from auto sector contributed more than 13 to 20 points, ITC 10 points. So except little bit from pharma side, remaining all sectors performed well. Nifty created 252 points range. So yesterday was about 160 points range, and Bank Nifty yesterday it was about 350 points range created, and today it's about 456 points. IT yesterday 577 points range, and today it was created about 362 points. So here Nifty was up by around 0.8%, Bank Nifty was up by 0.5%, IT was up by 0.5%, and Reliance was up by 0.3%. So even in our yesterday's analysis, we clearly mentioned that Bank Nifty was in bullish mode. IT and Reliance are in somewhat neutral zone. So yesterday we clearly mentioned that IT and Reliance will join the party. Yeah, today it's happened. So both IT as well as Reliance was up by 0.5% and 0.3%. So 250 points contribution, and that too one important big ground number and what big psychological number, 26,000 mark. So coming to major data points, yesterday we clearly mentioned that there are two important levels which are 161.8% of weekly as well as monthly levels. So monthly 161.8% of Fibonacci retracement is 26,118. So weekly's 161.8% of Fibonacci retracement is 26,197, which is close to 26,200 mark. So today both weekly and monthly's 161.8% levels were cleared and closed above 26,200 mark. So as per weekly's resistance points, 25,705, 25,650 are good amount of resistance levels, but since almost all 5 days market was closed and trading above that level, and first time yesterday it was closed above 25,991 mark. So today it was cleared even 26,174 level also. So the next probable number from major data points would be 26,433 and 26,343. So as per monthly data, 26,343 and 26,433, these two would be the next important targets for Nifty. And today when it was closed above that level, daily resistance level, which is 26,069 mark. So entire day it was traded above that level only. So finally 26,252 was the today's high, and that to all-time high also. So from candlestick view, as per Fibonacci retracement and extension, so market took support at yesterday's high. So two times it was reached that level, so somewhere 26,000 mark, and from there it went all the way till 26,250 mark. So coming to weekly Fibonacci retracement and extension, so morning it was open above that 123.6% of last week's range, and within first 2 hours it was sustained above 138.2%, which is 26,064 mark. So from there it went till 26,250 mark. Yesterday and today both, so morning time and till afternoon it was within the range, about 50 to 60 points range. So yesterday also at 3 to 3:15 it was up by around more than 100 points, and today also from 2:15 to 3:15 or 2:15 to 3:15 it reached, it was moved more than 150 points. So coming to monthly data, so 161.8%, which is 26,118, was very much resistance for the entire day. So morning to till 2:15 it was reached that level, 26,118 level. So there was sudden spike after 2:15, so it went till 26,250 level. So coming to Bank Nifty, it's second day it consecutively closed above 54,000 mark. So Monday or Tuesday I think we clearly mentioned that. So for Bank Nifty, doors opened for 55,000 mark. So today's high was somewhere 54,467. So 2 times it took support at weekly's high point. So morning also it's opened exactly last week high level, and in the middle of the session also it reached almost 100% of last week's range, and from there it went from 54,066 to all the way till 54,467. So more than 400 points rally happened within 1 hour time frame. So here one more important level, 54,100. So that is 200% of last month's range. Even in our yesterday's analysis also we clearly mentioned that yesterday's closing was above that 54,100 level, which was 200% of last month's range. So today also it's maintained same level. So it took strong support at 54,100 level, and from there it went till almost 54,500 mark. So coming to IT, so IT, this is 7th day to maintain same low point. So somewhere 42,650 I think yesterday's low, but today's low was almost 41,982, which is 42,000 level. So first time after many days it was closed above 42,000 mark. So from here IT also may go further upside. So here as per Fibonacci retracement and extension, so morning it took somewhat resistance at 123.6% to 100% of yesterday's range, and today today's intraday data clearly showing that weekly is 23.6%, which is 42,100 mark. So almost 2 times it took support over there. And from major data points, so 78.6% of last month's range is indicating 41,826. So since last 7 days market didn't close below that level, so the monthly 78.6 is hugely respected by IT. So 41,825, not only 41,825, clearly it was closed above 42,000 mark. So the next target for IT would be 42,914, which is last month's high. So the next 2 days we need to wait to close the monthly candle. So from here we may expect till 42,914 level. So coming to index movers, so all major indices are showcasing in bullish mode. So Nifty is indicating bullish plus plus, Bank Nifty is also indicating bullish plus plus. So IT somewhat neutral. So based on today's data and this week's data, so IT also from here it may take support. Fin Nifty bullish plus plus, mid cap bullish, and Reliance also bullish. So Reliance also almost all this month, so from last 26 days it didn't perform well, but as per today's data and the last 4 days data is indicating somewhat further bullishness on Reliance. So both IT and Reliance may take some positivity from here. So banks definitely may go further upside, so till 55,000 mark. So coming to NSE plus, so all are filled with full green color paint. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, IT, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty and Reliance. So coming to Nifty Plus, so Nifty Plus, so majorly what are all the dependencies on Nifty? So Bank Nifty, IT and Reliance are three major dependencies for Nifty. So all three are showcasing somewhat positivity. So coming to weekly sentiment, so since last 4 days, so Nifty was up by more than 425 points net to net, so which was 1.6% in terms of percentage. So 12 out of 50 are negative and 38 out of 50 are positive. So majorly HDFC Bank, M&M, Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Power Grid contributed more than 25 points to 72 points. So coming to monthly data, so last month the range was around 1375 points range, and today's range, this month range was about 1500 points range for Nifty. And Bank Nifty, last month it was very small range, around 2200 points. So this month, as of now, it was created nearly 4100 points range. And IT, last month it was created bigger range, about more than 5100 points. But as of now, from last 25-26 days, it is just 2000 points range only. So majorly from IT pack, we have little bit negative contribution from TCS, Infosys, and from Reliance also, and some negativity from public sector banks, and some negativity from Tata Motors. So last 26 days, the outperformers from banking sector, that too private banks. So all banks are major contributors: HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, all private sector banks hugely contributed for this 26,000 mark rally on Nifty. So coming to top 10s, index top 10s. So Nifty, out of 50, if we take top 10 heavyweights, so 7 are indicating upside out of 10. So weekly 6 out of 10 are indicating upside, and monthly also 6 out of 10 are indicating upside. So for Nifty, majority of the counters, all heavyweights are indicating towards positive side. And for banks, so if we consider top 10 banks, so 7 out of 10 are in positive for intraday, and 5 out of 10 are in neutral, 6 out of 10 are in positive side for monthly. Coming to IT, so IT 5 out of 10 are in neutral, and 5 out of 10 are neutral for both daily and weekly data, but monthly it is indicating 5 out of 10 are in positive side. So IT also somewhat positivity we may expect from here. So first time after many days it was closed above that one important level, so 42,000 mark. So many days it was closed below that 42,000 mark. So after many days it was cleared that level. So we may expect somewhat positivity, another 800 points. So till 43,000 mark we may expect in next 2-3 days. So coming to heat maps, today majorly from auto sectors. So Maruti was up by around 5%, Grasim, Tata Motors, Sriram Finance, M&M, Bajaj Finserv. So more than 3% to 5%. And negative side, Hero Motors, L&T, ONGC and Cipla. So that's all about today's analysis. So Nifty, one good closing about 26,200 mark. So another 200 to 300 points rally we may expect in next 2 to 3 days. So tomorrow weekly candle will be closed, and Monday it will be monthly candle closing. So all important levels broken. So monthly and weekly 161.8%. Not only broken, it was closed above that level. So still somewhat positivity may continue on Nifty. And not only banks, so even IT and Reliance also we may expect some positive movement in coming days. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet on next analysis. Thank you so much.